Hello, welcome to the Smart Lab. Today I'm going to unbox and review Kebeibo Ultrasonic Air Diffuser. This is a multi-function gadget. So without any further details, we will see what's inside the box. First, we can see a very handy air diffuser. Seems to be a quality product according to the appearance. It comes with English user manual. We can see all the instructions here how to operate the air diffuser. Measuring cup. Remote control. And a power adapter. You can choose the power adapter according to your country. This is a multifunction unit because it comes with these amazing features: aromatherapy, humidifier, air purifier, ionizer, and color changeable night light. So let's take a closer look of ultrasonic air diffuser. We can see the current water level without opening it. This is the power on button and light button. This is the power connect port. There is a rubber grip on the bottom side to protect your surface. Because of this, it is anti-skid. So let's see how this works. First, add some water using the measuring cup. You should not exceed 500 milliliters. If you like, you can add 1 to 2 drops essential oils. Then connect the power cord. Remove the plastic cover from the remote control to connect the battery. You can press the light button. There are 7 different light colors. When you press the light button first time, it will turn on the lights and colors will change automatically. If you press the second time, you can set the specific color on. If you press the third time, you can choose the dim or bright colors. So we'll see how the remote works now. When you press the power on button, it will turn on the mist. You can do the same thing using the diffuser buttons. When you press the second button on remote, it will turn on the mist in 10 seconds and turn off the mist in 10 seconds. And repeat. And you can choose set the timer to 2 hours or 4 hours. You can set the light colors and light brightness using other buttons of the remote control. You can use the remote control up to 6 meter distance. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.